Hi, it's Lee from Cabot here. Our floors are subject to some pretty tough conditions. Thousands of footprints, little pet paws and marks from furniture will inevitably take their toll on your floor's appearance. So it's time to get cleaning with Cabot's Floor Clean. Cabot's Floor Clean is your easy to use everyday cleaning solution. This all-purpose floor cleaner is specially formulated to remove grease and grime and has a pleasant citrus fragrance. It's ideal for rejuvenating floors or preparing your timber floors for a recoat. All you'll need is this, your handy Cabot's Floor Clean, a mop and bucket and your safety gear. Start by adding approximately 50 ml of floor clean concentrate to 4 litres of water. For extra dirty floors, increase the amount of concentrate to 100 ml to 4 litres of water. Mix the solution in a bucket, shake off the excess and apply to the floor using a mop to loosen grime and dirt. Be sure not to flood the floor with cleaning solution and use caution as the floor may be slippery while wet. For black heel marks, use Cabot's Floor Clean direct from the bottle on a rag and rub the area gently. It's that easy. Cabot's Floor Clean is an all-purpose cleaner suited for any pre-coated interior timber surfaces, solid timber, engineered timber, laminate, tiles and polished concrete. So it's time to refresh your floors with Cabot's Floor Clean.